Good morning. Today is Monday, September 13th, and tomorrow is our next client appreciation event. Tony Porcellini will be teaching us how to make fresh margaritas and a non-alcoholic version, Noritas, as well. He's also going to show us how to make homemade guacamole to go with it, and you are invited to join us here in Eden Prairie at our office, or if you're more comfortable, you can watch from the comfort of your home via Zoom. In both cases, please head on over to our website and RSVP so that either we know that you're coming here and we can be prepared for you, or if you're going to attend from home so that you can get that Zoom link so you can log in at the appropriate time. Also, if you're going to attend from home, be sure to download the list of items that Tony recommends to make the most of this experience. Again, this event is tomorrow evening. Everyone is welcome, so share the registration link with friends and family, anyone who you think would enjoy Tony's margarita party. All right, with that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we will dive into this week's update. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. In a quiet week of news, stocks moved lower amid simmering concerns over the Delta variant's effect on the progress of the economic reopening. The Dow Jones Industrials Average declined 2.15%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 dropped 1.69%. The NASDAQ Composite Index fell 1.61 for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, slipped 0.63%. Looking a little bit deeper at last week, in a holiday-shortened week of trading, markets were choppy as investors grew cautious in the face of a potential Fed tapering decision later this month and the impact of Delta on the economic recovery. What little news there was, it was decidedly mixed. Job growth showed real strength coming off a shaky employment report the previous Friday, while the producer price index surged by 8.3% year over year, representing the largest annual increase since November of 2010. The release reminded investors that inflation remains a market risk. Stocks tried to stage a rebound on Friday before sagging to close out the week. All right, looking a little bit closer at the job situation. After a disappointing employment report, two labor market reports last week appeared to show that the labor market recovery appeared intact. The JOLTS report, which stands for Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey, showed 10.9 million open jobs, a number that exceeded the number of unemployed by more than 2 million. The rate of hiring, however, decelerated, perhaps explaining why the August employment report fell short of expectations. A day later, the weekly initial jobless claims fell to a new pandemic low of 310,000, coming in below its 4-week moving average of 339,500. Continuing jobless claims fell to their lowest level since March 14th of 2020. Remember, later on today, I will be emailing out our full weekly economic update. So if you're not getting this and you would like it, head on over to our website. You can subscribe to it there. In this update, of course, is our financial tip of the week. This week, we have a legal tip for you, so you want to pay attention to that one. We also have a quote of the week, a riddle of the week for you, as well as companies who are reporting earnings and other stuff as well. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.